up, guys? Welcome back to some more Blue Kits. Today we are going to be doing a Blizzard Pack opening with 529 tokens. This is day 3 of the daily Blizzard Pack 500 token opening. And we used to do 2 accounts, but now we're just going to do our alt account because I'm saving up for the 10,000 token opening Christmas special. No spoilers, but enough of me talking. Let's get into the opening. Oh my gosh, second pack we got a snowman. That's good. 2 in a row? There we go. Let's go. Snowman. Let's go. We got an epic. We got the epic. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Are we able to get this Santa Claus? Because I feel like we're never going to get it at this rate. Let's go. We got just a couple packs left. 44. Oh my gosh, okay. We just got the epic there. We just got the epic now. About 3 more packs, I would say. 1, 2, 3. And then we can resell 34. And nothing. That's gonna be it for today. Bye.